junkfoodtaster.com. Here you go, my friends. So it's time for the battle. The vegan almond versus the original Magnum Almond. And yeah, I bought these two boxes. And somebody said I promised it in a video sometime. Didn't find the video. Anyways, I'm doing it. And yeah. So let's see. This is a 5-pack called Legends. Yeah. So actually I'm very open-minded towards vegan ice cream. Wow. Do you want to open them all? This I don't understand. There's raspberry yogurt. Aha, say this one is a raspberry yogurt. Didn't expect this one in there. Okay, and now the vegan one. Isn't this a good video for Wednesday? I'm giving my best, my beautiful friends. Alrighty. Hey. And I start with vegan first, I think. What is there on the packaging? True pleasure for the future. Okay. True pleasure. Okay. Chocolate is super deep. Wow. This is definitely not the original Magnum Almond chocolate taste. It's far more intense. I always cut stuff. I think cutting the raspberry yogurt is a nice idea. Has some filling or something. Good to see it. Yeah, this tastes very good, addictive. I will definitely buy this again. Awesome. I sort of want to eat this substance here, standalone. This tastes totally very neutral. There's no real distinguished taste. I just want to try out what is the base for the milk replacement. I don't hear pea protein already. Anyways, now the original. Yeah. Here it looks very different. Somehow the melting is different. The melting behavior. This has some addictive finish. Okay, I think you cannot mimic milk. Sort of you get other feelings from the milk, basically. It's a little bit like eating real meat instead of meat replacement product. Feels very distinctive, the milk taste. But at the same time, this has something other mental inside. I would let me think. I take my time for this decision now. Alrighty, so I declare this one the winner, Magnum Vegan. There's something in there. I think I have to eat this product multiple times to get to the bottom of this. No, I also should put these in the fridge, in the freezer. Yeah. So now eat all the other milk-based ones at once. Yeah. Here, white chocolate. Okay, super basic. It's very cold. Okay, like the white chocolate waves come in the finish. Yeah. Oh, this one, double. What does double mean? Ah, caramel. Is it smaller? Boah, das ist klasse. Yeah, I like the caramel. Aha. Chocolate caramel there than other chocolate. Boah, disgusting. I think I can live without the real milk taste. Yeah. I can live without the real meat taste. But real milk taste I don't need in my life. Okay. So this is okay, classic, okay. Good. Pointless. This is 1990s. Wow. Almond is just the best flavor, I don't know. Next one. Aha, and this one has a fancy printing inside. The others one don't. Okay. No, sour. Nice sour taste. Oh. Alrighty, so let's get rid of the ice cream and let's get the logbook. Alrighty, so here we go. And I rate the vegan almond the win. There is some mystery. Yeah, I will eat a little bit more. Maybe one time I tell you my final thoughts about it or something. And what else do we got? So other colors. I would rate this Magnum Almond also win. I will come to this blend, not blend in a second. So Magnum Double Caramel, or what was called? Yeah, I personally hate it. So this caramel taste is so much in your face. It's over the top. I don't like it, and it's aggressive, strong caramel. So in the other ones, I don't really care. Classic, I don't care. Magnum White, I don't care. And yogurt, I don't care. That's how it is. Alright, I was thinking about a little bit. I think the brain can basically differentiate whether a product is like an animal-based product or plant-based product. Somehow I think the brain thinks that the animal-based stuff is more nutritious or something like this. Yeah, somehow these products came into existence and now we are got into brain science. Alright, so yeah, I'm no brain scientist. I don't know why milk is such a mysterious substance. Yeah, it's so mysterious it got its own brain reaction. Anyways, yeah, I hope you liked this video. I cannot give you like the final answers about the vegan and the real stuff. I'm sorry. I hope somebody else can. Thanks for watching and see you on Friday.